Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramesh Maurya, your mathematics teacher. In previous video, we discussed question number 45 from our exercise 4A. In this video, we are going to discuss about question number 54 from exercise 4A. That is to solve the quadratic equation. The question is solve 3 upon x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 upon 3x minus 1. In this question, our answer should not be minus 1 and 1 by 3. These are not the solution. This should not come. Other than this can come the solution, but this 2 will not the solution of the given quadratic equation. So let us see how to solve this type of question. So solution: three upon x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 upon 3x minus 1. First of all, we will take the LCM of these two, because you can see this is in the form of fraction. So take the LCM of these two, x plus 1 and into 2. So when this one will be divided by x plus 1, we get 2. So this will be 2 3 is 6 minus, when it is divided by 2, this 2 will be cancelled. So minus 1 into x plus 1, it will be x plus 1 is equal to this one, 2 upon 3x minus 1. Now we will open the bracket. 6 minus x minus 1 upon this one will be 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 upon 3x minus 1. From here 6 minus 1, it will be 5. So 5 minus x upon 2x plus 2 is equal to here 2 upon 3x minus 1. Now we will do cross multiplication. It will be multiplied by this one, this total part, and this total part will be multiplied by 2. So let us do this one. First of all, this 5 minus x multiplied by 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 into 2x plus 2. Now let us do multiplication. First of all, we will multiply it by this 5. So 5 3 is 15x minus 5 1 is 5. After that, we will multiply this one. X into 3x, it will be minus 3x square. And here x minus x into minus 1, it will be plus x. Here it will be 2 into 2x, so 4x, and plus 2 to ja 4. Now you can see here it is 15x and x, so it will be 16x minus 5 minus 3x square. We will transport this part to this side. So it will be minus 4x and minus 4 is equal to 0. From here we get that minus 3x square. X square part we will take in front. Minus 3x square. You can see here 16x, here minus 4x. So 16x minus 4x, it will be 12x and here it is minus 5 and minus 4. Both are negative, so both will be added and it will be minus 9 is equal to 0. For making this x square positive, we will take common minus. So when we take common minus, it will be 3x square. In place of plus, it will become minus 12x, and here plus 9 is equal to 0. When this minus will be divided by 0 or 0 will be divided by minus, so we will get this one is positive. So it will be 3x square minus 12x plus 9. Now from here we can solve the given quadratic equation. I have told you many questions which is in the form of this question. So let us solve this. First of all, as we know that we multiply the coefficient of x square and this constant term. So it will be 9 3s are 27. So and after that this 12 will be split in two such parts that the product should be equal to 27 and the sum should be equal to this 12. So it will be 3x square minus, in place of 12 we will put 9 plus 3 because 9 3s are 27 and here x plus 9 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 9x minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now from here, from these two parts, we will take common 3x. So when we take common 3x, here a x will be remained and here 3 3s are 9, so 3 will be remained. From these two parts, we can take common minus 3. So when we take common minus 3, the x will be remained and it will become plus, and in place of plus, this minus will come. So it will be x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we can see that in both parts x minus 3 is common, so we take common x minus 3. Here it will be 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we got two factors. From here we can find out the value of the given equation. So from here, if x minus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3, and if 3x minus 3 is equal to 0, then 3x will be equal to the 3, or x will equal to 3 upon 3, 1. So x is equal to 1. So we get value x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 3. So these are two solutions for the given quadratic equation. So if the question is in the form of fraction, first of all you take LCM and you solve the equation, and by finding out the factors you can get the value of x. That's all. Thank you.